Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use cards on Google Wallet. First, ensure you have the Google Wallet app installed on your smartphone. This app securely stores your payment information, making transactions simple and fast. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to carry fewer physical cards. We'll cover adding cards, making payments, and managing your digital wallet effectively. Get ready to streamline your purchases with just a few taps. Adding a card to Google Wallet is straightforward. Open the app and tap the plus sign, usually found at the bottom right. You can then choose to scan your physical card or manually enter the details like the card number and expiration date. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may include a quick verification step with your bank to ensure security. Once verified, your card is ready for use. To make a payment, first ensure your phone's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled in your settings. When you're ready to pay, simply unlock your phone and hold it near the payment terminal. You'll typically see a contactless payment symbol on the terminal. A quick vibration or a check mark on your screen will confirm that your transaction was successful. It's that easy and secure. Managing your cards in Google Wallet is simple. You can easily set a default card for even quicker transactions or remove cards you no longer need. Rest assured, your payment information is highly secure, protected by multiple layers of encryption and authentication. If your phone is lost or stolen, you can remotely lock or wipe your device, safeguarding your financial data. Google Wallet keeps your payments safe and organized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.